In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on Tradingview, a crucial step for anyone trading across different markets. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or you're switching to a new time zone, understanding how to adjust your Tradingview display is key for accurate data and effective market analysis. First, let's get started by heading over to tradingview.com. Once there, sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which is straightforward and requires only basic information. After logging in, navigate to the chart section. This is where most of the action happens and where you'll start all your technical analysis. The chart interface in Tradingview is incredibly user-friendly and provides all the tools you'll need for monitoring market trends. Now, once you're on the chart screen, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your display. This is where you can locate the current time zone setting. It might appear as a simple mention of UTC or another time zone, depending on your initial setup. Click on this time zone indicator, and it will open a menu displaying a variety of time zone options. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of time zones from around the world. Tradingview makes it easy by organizing them in a manner that mimics a typical world atlas. So you don't have to know the exact time zone offset, such as +3 or 5. You can just scroll through the list and find the city or region that matches your needs. Let's assume you want to select Riyadh's time zone, which is UTC +3. Simply scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top for quicker navigation. Once you find Riyadh, click on it. Choosing the correct time zone is important because it aligns the timestamps in your charts with the local market time for more accurate trading sessions. After selecting your desired time zone, confirm that your chart data reflects the correct time alignment. It might be helpful, especially for beginners, to cross-reference this with a simple clock or world time app to ensure that everything is synced correctly. And there you have it. You successfully learned how to change the time zone on Tradingview. Remember, having the right time zone set up in your trading platform can significantly affect how you interpret market data and influence your trading decisions. Keep practicing, stay observant, and make the most out of your Tradingview platform. Thank you for watching,